Music today is powered by technology. From DJs performing live sets to producers working in home studios, digital equipment has become the backbone of modern creativity. But as the tools of music evolve, so does a growing environmental concern: electronic waste. In this video, we'll explore how DJs and musicians can reduce their tech waste while continuing to create, perform, and innovate without compromise. The rise of digital music has made powerful tools more accessible than ever before. Mixers, controllers, laptops, synthesizers, and audio interfaces are now standard equipment for artists at every level. However, this accessibility has also led to an increase in discarded devices. Frequent upgrades, broken gear, and outdated technology all contribute to the growing problem of e-waste. What many don't realize is that these devices contain hazardous materials like lead, mercury, and cadmium. When disposed of improperly, they can contaminate soil and water, causing long-term environmental damage. At the same time, these devices contain valuable materials that could be recovered and reused if properly recycled. One of the most effective ways to reduce tech waste is surprisingly simple: use your equipment longer. Music technology companies often release new models with only small improvements. While it can be tempting to upgrade, most musicians already have gear that meets their needs. By focusing on longevity, artists can reduce the demand for new manufacturing and the resources that come with it. Maintaining equipment properly, avoiding unnecessary replacements, and investing in high-quality gear all contribute to a more sustainable approach. In the long run, using equipment to its full potential benefits both the environment and your budget. When something breaks, the default reaction is often to replace it. But in many cases, repairs are not only possible, they're practical. Issues like broken knobs, loose connections, or power problems can often be fixed with minimal effort. Learning basic repair skills or working with a qualified technician can significantly extend the life of your gear. There's also a growing movement supporting the right to repair, giving users better access to parts and repair information. By choosing repair over replacement, musicians can reduce waste while keeping their setup functional and reliable. Another powerful way to reduce waste is to keep equipment in circulation. Buying used gear reduces the demand for new manufacturing and often provides the same level of performance at a lower cost. At the same time, selling or trading equipment you no longer use ensures it doesn't end up in storage or in a landfill. Donating gear to schools, community programs, or aspiring artists can make a meaningful impact. This approach supports a circular economy where products are reused and repurposed instead of discarded. Keeping equipment in use for as long as possible is one of the most effective ways to reduce its environmental footprint. Not all equipment is created equal when it comes to sustainability. Some manufacturers are beginning to design products with the environment in mind. This includes using recyclable materials, reducing packaging waste, and improving repairability. Modular gear takes this a step further by allowing individual components to be replaced or upgraded. Instead of discarding an entire device, you can simply swap out a part. This reduces waste and gives you more flexibility as your needs evolve. By supporting eco-conscious brands, musicians can help drive the industry toward more sustainable practices. It's not just the major equipment that contributes to waste. Accessories play a role too. Disposable batteries, for example, can quickly add up and become a hidden source of pollution. Switching to rechargeable batteries is a simple change that makes a big difference. Proper battery recycling is also essential, especially for lithium-based systems that can pose safety risks if mishandled. Cables are another commonly overlooked source of waste. By organizing, labeling, and maintaining cables properly, musicians can extend their lifespan and avoid unnecessary replacements. Small habits like these can have a significant cumulative impact over time. Eventually, every piece of equipment reaches the end of its life. When that happens, proper disposal is critical. Throwing electronics in the trash can lead to serious environmental consequences due to the hazardous materials they contain. Instead, working with licensed recyclers ensures that devices are handled safely and responsibly. These professionals are equipped to manage complex electronics, recover valuable materials, and prevent harmful substances from entering the environment. Using specialized recycling services designed for audio equipment can make the process simple and effective. Responsible disposal is the final step in reducing the impact of your gear. Musicians have a unique platform to influence others. By adopting sustainable practices, they can set an example for fans, peers, and the broader community. Sharing knowledge about repair, reuse, and recycling helps spread awareness. Participating in eco-friendly events or collaborating with sustainable brands amplifies the message even further. When sustainability becomes part of the culture, it drives meaningful change across the industry. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to a larger movement. The pursuit of music doesn't have to come at the expense of the environment. By making thoughtful choices, using gear longer, repairing instead of replacing, and recycling responsibly, DJs and musicians can significantly reduce their tech waste. Sustainability isn't about limiting creativity, it's about supporting it in a way that lasts. When artists take responsibility for their equipment, they help shape a future where innovation and environmental care go hand in hand. Because the true legacy of music isn't just what we create, it's the impact we leave behind. If you're ready to responsibly recycle your electronic equipment, we're here to help. Reach us by phone, email, or through our website. Our team works with licensed recyclers to ensure safe, compliant, and environmentally responsible handling of your equipment. Turn down the waste and turn up sustainability, because every beat should echo responsibility.